In the beginning, there was only the vast expanse of space and the solar nebula, a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Over time, the nebula began to collapse under its own gravity, with particles sticking together to form larger and larger bodies. As the nebula spun faster and faster, it flattened into a disk shape, with the sun forming at its center. The planets began to take shape, including our own Earth. At first, Earth was a hot, hostile place, with temperatures soaring above 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. But as it cooled, the crust began to solidify and the atmosphere formed. Volcanoes erupted, spewing forth gases that would eventually create the air we breathe. Water vapor condensed, forming the oceans, lakes, and rivers that would become the lifeblood of our planet. The Earth's magnetic field emerged, protecting the planet from harmful solar winds. Over billions of years, the Earth continued to evolve and change. Continents collided and drifted apart, creating mountains and ocean basins. Life emerged, first in the form of single-celled organisms, then evolving into complex plants and animals. Eventually, the Earth became the vibrant, diverse planet we know today, teeming with life and filled with breathtaking landscapes. Here's a brief timeline of the Earth's history. 4.6 billion years ago, the solar nebula collapses, and the Earth begins to form. 4.4 billion years ago, the Earth's crust solidifies, and the atmosphere forms. 3.8 billion years ago, life emerges in the form of single-celled organisms. 2.1 billion years ago, oxygen builds up in the atmosphere, paving the way for complex life. 500 million years ago, the Earth's continents take shape, and life explodes in diversity.